Imagine, if you will, a man who strolled into the bright, bustling Vegas Strip with nothing but a pocket full of change and a dream. Now let's breathe life into this dream, shall we? This man, our unsuspecting hero, finds himself drawn towards the tantalizing allure of slot machines. A couple of coins in, and the lights start to flash, the bells begin to ring. He's hit the jackpot, a staggering $11 million. The room erupts into a whirlwind of disbelief and excitement. The man's life is forever altered in a single, heart-stopping moment. But as the dust settles, a twist in the tale emerges. The casino, in a wave of paranoia and uncertainty, bans our lucky winner. His dream, it seems, was too big for the house to handle. But does he mind? Not one bit. Now, wouldn't we all love to be in his shoes even just for a day? But how did he do it? Was it pure luck, or was there a method to his madness? Well, let me tell you, it's not all about luck. There's more to slot machines than meets the eye. You see, there are certain secrets, strategies if you will, that Vegas doesn't want you to know about. Yes, you heard it right. Secrets that could potentially turn the odds in your favor and make you the next big winner. Intrigued? You should be. Imagine knowing what Vegas doesn't want you to know. Picture yourself understanding the nuances of slot machines, the hidden truths that could make all the difference between winning and losing. We're about to delve deep, unravel the mysteries, and expose the secrets that could help you hit that elusive jackpot. So, brace yourselves and prepare for a thrilling journey into the world of slot machines. Stay tuned as we unveil these secrets, one by one. Secret number 1, know your slot machines. Venturing into the world of slot machines without understanding their diversity is like stepping into a boxing ring blindfolded. Each slot machine, you see, has its own unique payout rate, and it's these little differences that can significantly swing the odds in your favor. From classic 3-reel slots to more complex multi-line video slots, each comes with its own set of rules, symbols, and winning combinations. Some might offer a higher payout for certain symbols, while others might feature exciting bonus rounds that could potentially multiply your winnings. Then there's the payout rate. This is the percentage of all the wagered money a slot machine will pay back to players over time. The higher the payout rate, the better your chances of winning. And let's not forget about progressive slots, where the jackpot increases with every bet placed. So the next time you're in Vegas, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the machines before you start playing. Moving on to secret number 2, the higher the denomination, the higher the payback. This might seem like a simple principle, but it's an essential one. When you're playing slots, the machines with higher denominations tend to have higher payback percentages. Think of it this way: the more you're willing to risk, the more the casino is willing to reward you. It's like a silent pact between you and the casino. The higher denomination machines are like the high-stakes tables of the slot machine world. They're where the big players go to play and where the big paybacks happen. But remember, higher denominations also mean higher risks. So, while you might be tempted to go all in, it's important to play responsibly. Know your limits. Gamble with money you can afford to lose. That's the secret of the high denomination machines. They're not for everyone, but if you've got the bankroll and the guts, they can offer some of the best payback percentages around. Remember, you have to be in it to win it. Secret number 3, always bet the maximum. Now, you might be wondering, why should I risk more of my bankroll? The answer lies in the jackpot. When you're spinning those reels, you're not just playing for the regular wins, you're also playing for the chance to hit that life-changing jackpot. But here's the catch. In many slot machines, you're only eligible for the jackpot if you bet the maximum amount. It's like buying a lottery ticket, but not playing all the numbers. You're missing out on the biggest prize. And remember, the jackpot is where the real money is. It's not about winning small, it's about winning big. You might be risking a bit more, but the potential rewards are astronomical. So, the next time you're deciding on your bet size, remember secret number 3. Don't miss out on the jackpot because you didn't bet the max. On to secret number 4, slot placement matters. You might think that all slot machines are created equal, but that's far from the truth. Casinos are no fools. They strategically place the slots with higher payout rates in more visible areas. Why? To attract more players, of course. Imagine walking into a casino and seeing someone hitting a jackpot. That's a scene that would definitely get your adrenaline pumping, isn't it? This is exactly what casinos want. They want you to see the big wins. They want you to think, that could be me. The machines near the entrances, exits, and main walkways typically tend to have better payout percentages. It's all part of the casino's master plan to lure you in. But remember, it's not guaranteed. It's merely a trend. So the next time you're in a casino, don't just plop down at the first slot machine you see. Take a moment to observe. Keep your eyes open and your mind alert. Secret number 5, understand the RNG rule. Now this is where things get a bit technical, but stick with me. The random number generator, or RNG, is the heartbeat of any slot machine. This complex piece of software determines the outcome of every single spin, and it's crucial to your understanding of how these machines work. Imagine the RNG as a giant tombola filled with billions of numbered balls. Every time you hit that spin button, the RNG plucks a ball from the tombola, and the number on that ball decides whether you're going home a winner or not. The important thing to remember is that the RNG doesn't have a memory. It doesn't care if you've just hit the jackpot or if you've been losing all night. It's all about the luck of the draw, and every spin is an entirely fresh start. So keep this in mind next time you're at the slots. Remember, every spin is independent and random. We're down to our last 5 secrets. Firstly, steer clear of progressive slots. Sure, they promise life-changing sums, but the reality is, these machines have lower payback percentages. The massive jackpot is built by taking a slice of every bet, which means less for you in regular wins. So, unless you're on a mission to land that elusive, life-changing sum, stick to the standard machines. Secondly, always set a loss limit. This might sound counterintuitive when we're talking about winning, but it's crucial. No one walks into a casino expecting to lose, but it's a reality that can't be ignored. Set a limit and stick to it. If you reach it, it's time to step away. This strategy not only saves your bankroll, but also keeps you in the right frame of mind to make smart decisions. Next up, consider playing in less crowded places. It's a little known fact that machines in less busy areas of the casino are more likely to pay out. Why? Because casinos want to create excitement, and what's more exciting than winning? So, if you're playing in a secluded corner, your chances of hitting a win are higher. Our penultimate secret is to play when the casino is less crowded. This might seem similar to our previous secret, but it's subtly different. When the casino is busy, machines are used more frequently, and this can often result in lower payouts. So aim for quieter times like weekday mornings. Finally, know when to stop. This might be the hardest secret to master, but also the most important. It's easy to get caught up in the thrill of the game, but knowing when to walk away can be the difference between a winning and losing session. Remember, the aim is to have fun, and nothing kills the fun faster than losing more than you can afford. These secrets might just be your ticket to hitting the next big jackpot. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned today. We started with the unbelievable story of a man who got banned from Vegas after winning $11 million. The secrets behind this extraordinary win led us to unmask 10 slot machine strategies that Vegas doesn't want you to know. We discovered the importance of knowing your slot machines and understanding that higher denominations often mean higher paybacks. We also discussed the strategy of placing maximum bets and the significance of slot machine placement in casinos. Importantly, we highlighted the role of the random number generator rule, reminding us that every spin is independent and equally likely to win or lose. Finally, we covered the last 5 secrets, each one a valuable tool in the gambler's arsenal. These are the secrets that could tilt the odds in your favor. Armed with these secrets, who knows? You might just be the next big winner.